Hey guys, so this is day 14 of the 0 to 100k dropshipping challenge where I take a store from 0 to 100k in sales. If you're new to the channel, this is basically a challenge that I'm doing where I'm taking a store from 0 to 100k in sales, showing you guys the whole process, okay? From finding the products, testing the products, the store, the exact link to the store, how much I'm spending on ads, which products are selling, fully transparent, okay? Just like if you're with me and basically running this business with me. I know nobody else is doing this on YouTube, and I wanted to do that for the people that really want to change their life, but they're not able to see any proof. They keep seeing these videos of people telling them, I did this much sales, I did this much sales, but I don't have any proof. They're not able to see like the store exactly and see what's going behind this, behind the scenes. So if you have like a TikTok brain or something like that, you're not like, you're used to this scrolling dopamine, you don't have time to basically watch these videos. These videos are not for you, okay? These are really videos for people that want to get these numbers and want to see the real proof and want to do the same thing, because I've had people from my audience actually go and do the exact same thing that I'm showing in these videos and already hitting 13,000 euros in sales by day 10, okay, of the challenge. So I really encourage you guys to do the same thing. If you like these videos and want to see more, you can find all the other days of the video in my channel, and make sure to subscribe to see the latest updates, okay? So first of all, I'm going to go over everything we're going to see in this video. So first thing we're going to do here is I'm going to show you guys the results, okay? So I'm going to show you the results from the store. Let's go over this. Then I'm going to show you the designs, the branding, product research, the supplier that I'm using, what's the news with Chinese New Year, the products that sold, and the ads, okay? So first thing, I want to show you the results. We're already at 1,600 pounds in sales for the challenge. We're already at over 2% of our final goal of 100k in sales. Okay, things are going to start going way faster now because we have a few winners and we know how we can start scaling this. Okay, so this is for the results. Now we're going over to the designs. Okay, so design updates. You guys heard me talking about some theme before. It's called Lumin theme. So I upgraded my store to the Lumin theme. I've done that in the last few days. The store looks way better. Okay, so you guys know that when I'm recommending something, it's just not some bullshit, okay? It's stuff that I'm using myself and that actually people are getting results with, okay? So we have the theme. This is what the product page looks like, right? So we have this, we have the Trustpilot reviews as usual. We have the sizes, we have the inventory, we have the quantity bundles, we have the FOMO basically section here, and all this stuff, right? This theme looks perfect. We also have this Trustpilot section that looks way better than what I had on the first theme. Okay, so this is basically what the page looks like. Lumin theme, guys, if you're on my Discord channel, you probably already heard about it. You guys can get it, use my discount, you get like a 10% discount on that, okay? So this is a dope theme. You can also see like the add to cart looks very professional. And we actually already had a few sales using this theme. So when I change the theme on the store, I always think about stuff that I need to improve, okay? By the way, guys, I forgot to talk about something to show you in the outline, but I'm going to talk about payment processors as well, okay? A lot of people have been asking me about payment processors. I'm going to talk about that by the end of the video as well, okay? So this is what the theme look like. This is Lumin theme. If I'm not mistaken, it's the denim theme, okay? So you guys can use the exact same thing if you want. Now that we have a few sales on the store, we know we can start upgrading the team, making stuff look better, look more professional, okay? So product research. Now we're going into Chinese New Year, okay, guys? So during this period, it's not about scaling. Right now, it's more about like getting ready for when Chinese New Year is gonna be done and gain a lot of time. What we can do is go crazy on product research, get all our creatives ready, get all our texts ready, okay? We can even start making the ads on the ad manager and put them in drafts, okay? So when Chinese New Year is over, we can just start launching ads nonstop, okay? And testing products crazy. Another thing, I already have a few winning products, okay? So these winning products, I'm going to be scaling crazy when Chinese New Year is over and start getting some insane results. I'm pretty confident that this 100k number that we actually put at the beginning, 0 to 100k dropshipping challenge, is a small number, okay? This is just pretty much to show you guys that you can become six-figure e-commerce entrepreneur in a very short time, and you don't have to do like some crazy stuff that all these people showing you online. It's just as long as you have the right strategy, you're following the right advice, you can get these results, okay? So So this is when it comes to product research. We're going to be doing the product research as usual using MyNia and Afterlive. Okay, you guys, if you want to join it, you can use my discounts. You find them down in the description. You don't want to use my discounts, I absolutely have no problem with that. Okay, most important for me is just to see you guys using these videos, using all this free advice that I'm giving you to get results. Okay, and there's nothing for me more fulfilling than this. Okay, so then we're going to talk about the suppliers. Okay, right now it's Chinese New Year. I've had all these sales, okay, in the last few days right before Chinese New Year, and even though my supplier is solid, okay, GSR Dropshipping, they're the best for me that I've been using in the last few weeks of all the suppliers that I've tested. But lately, all the factories are closed. It's very hard to get your products coated, get your products sourced and shipped to your customers. Okay, so I wanted to go over the website here, show you guys which orders have been fulfilled, which one are we still waiting to get fulfilled. Also, I wanted to show you guys what the thank you cards look like. We just received the thank you cards, so we're starting to pretty much brand our dropshipping store. So these are the thank you cards, the front and the back. Okay, so you guys can see that this is the final result. This will be put inside our packages. Okay, and yeah, guys, pretty much right now we had a few sales that were fulfilled. So we had around 7 to 8 sales fulfilled. So you guys can see it here. All the ones that you see in gray here are orders that have been fulfilled. Okay, some other products we still did not fulfill, and I wanted to update you guys, tell you about which products have been selling in the last few days and what I'm doing about the ads. Okay, so all this stuff we went over already. So now let's go about which products sold and what I'm doing about the ads. Okay, so last few days I stopped the ads. Okay, why? Just because I've had so many products sell. I found a few winners already. I'm going to show you which products I'm going to be scaling aggressively once Chinese New Year is over. I have my 2 products ready to go. Okay, these products have been performing insane in the last few days, and I'm also going to show you what I'm going to do about the ads once these products are back in stock. Okay, so let me show you first which products sold. When I stopped the ads, I still had a few sales. Okay, so I had the sale for these 2 products. Okay, this is actually one of my winners. Okay, this Sansa office jacket is something that I'm going to be scaling crazy. It works really good, and the scaling is not only about the results that I'm getting with the product. Okay, you guys got to remember now fulfillment is pretty slow because I'm testing these products. Okay, and I still don't have the code for the products before I'm selling them. The supplier doesn't really know which factory they're going to be using and stuff like that. But once you already sold the product once and fulfilled it and it's working well, your supplier can have it shipped basically in 3 days. Okay, now it takes like 7 days because they need to source it from the beginning. But once they do, it goes by very fast. So now this product, I actually saw what the product looks like compared to other products. Product looks amazing. Okay, I saw someone leave a comment saying none of these products you're selling look exactly like in the picture. Guys, I gotta tell you, these products look exactly like they look in this picture. Okay, there's no bullshit. There's no like bad quality or stuff like that. So this is a win for me. Okay, also the product cost is good. The margins are good. Okay, this product cost me like $27 and I'm selling it for 49 pounds. Okay, so that's like 60 bucks. So I'm getting like a $33 profit on the product. And like I said, the product looks good, ready to scale. Another product that I'm selling is going to be this Henry sweater. Okay, so this product, right? This product also super easy to fulfill, is cheap, and the profit margins are really good. Okay, I'm selling for 32 pounds, I'm getting it for $11. Product looks exactly the same as in the pictures. Okay, this is very important to keep in mind because for other products that I have, they don't look exactly like the pictures, and that's going to be an issue 100% with my customers. So I'm not really looking to scale these products now. Okay, so what's important? Product needs to be profitable, needs to actually sell good with the ads, and on top of that, it needs to look good so you don't have any trouble with your customers after that. Okay, so these are the things to keep in mind. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about payment processor, then I'm going to jump into the ads so you guys can know exactly how much profit I'm getting on these results and what I'm planning to do next with the ads. Okay, so payment processing, a lot of people have been dropping this in the comments. How you dealing with payment processor? Do you use this? Do you use that? Do you use Shopify payments, Stripe? Which stuff you're using, right? So if you're in the US or in the UK, EU, you can just basically use Shopify payments. Okay, you don't even need to have a company, nothing. You can just open Shopify payments and start running it. I've heard some people that have been doing the dropshipping challenge had issues with that as well, okay, with Shopify payments. And me, myself, I struggle with this. If you guys are in this situation, it might be time to open a company and open a Stripe account, okay? Stripe is what I use for all my stores and all my sales. I don't use Shopify payments because pretty much I'm not from the UK or the EU. And I use a company linked to Stripe account to do that, okay? So that's pretty much the hack here. You use Stripe with PayPal, all linked to a company that's basically under your name, but you're basically selling under the name of the company, okay? And you pay taxes and stuff like that for your company, okay? I'm not a tax accountant. I'm not an accountant, so don't take my advice when it comes to taxes and stuff like that. All I know how to do is to sell products and actually get sales. I have people managing my taxes for me. I don't do it myself, okay? So company, Stripe account, PayPal, you're good to go, okay? Pretty safe, and you get your payments on time. So let's talk about the ads now, okay? So for these products, I want to show you guys how much I spent on ads and how many sales I got for each of these products. So for the ads on these products, okay, so we have the Henry sweater. Actually, I'm going to drop this profit sheet in the Discord channel. If you guys want to get access to this, the winning products sheet and the link to the store, you'll find them in my Discord channel. It's free. You can join it in the link down below, okay? So the Henry sweater, basically we spent $64 on ads and we made $80 profit, okay? So that's pretty much a return on investment of 126%. So we spent $64 and made $80. Okay, I don't like this ROIS stuff. Okay, it's super confusing. Okay, you need to have like a break-even number and stuff like that. I don't like to use that shit. Okay, I like to have my real numbers based on the profit I have on each sale. Okay, it doesn't matter for me if I'm selling the product for $2,000. If I'm making $3 out of that product and I have 100x return on ad spend, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so here for me, make it very simple for everyone. I spent $64 and put $80 in my pocket, okay? Full profit, okay? So that's not like $20 profit. So for the Sansa office jacket, I spent $100 on ads and made $145 profit, okay? So this is basically it. These are the products that I'm gonna be scaling. I also have this Kensington jacket, but I'm not 100% sure about the quality of this product, okay? So I just have this shipped to my customers with the thank you card that I showed you. I'm waiting to see once the guys are going, the customers are going to receive these products, what they're going to think about it. And at that time, I'm going to be scaling. So what I'm going to be doing next during Chinese New Year, you guys should definitely be here, whether you still didn't start or if you already started the challenge, okay? This is going to be the most important period because we're going to go extensively into product research and making sure everything is perfect so we can crush it when Chinese New Year is over in 10 days, okay? So I'm going to be making videos about product research. I'm going to be doing product research crazy, okay? And showing you guys an insane amount of winning products. Here you guys can see I have 3 winning products. I only tested around 15 products since I started, okay? So that means that my product research strategy is actually working and it's the best that I've seen right now, okay? This is completely transparent, okay, guys? This is really what I think. This research strategy that I've been using, I've been testing multiple ones. This one is the best. And I'm going to be doing this as much as possible. So you guys should tag along. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see the next videos when they drop. So you can see these products before everyone else. And you can actually test them once we finish Chinese New Year. We'll be adding them to the store, making the listings look better. And then we'll be able to actually run these ads when Chinese New Year is over, scale, and get some good results, and hopefully be able to reach our 100K in sales goal as soon as possible, okay? So hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I received a lot of nice comments, a lot of nice feedback about these videos. Appreciate you guys for your feedback, and I'll see you in the next one. Get ready for extensive product research.